We just needed a quick way to empty a brake reservoir. And we didn't have any sort of pump or anything. We just wanted to change the fluid and get some fresh fluid in there. And we didn't have anything. So, this guy had this idea. You could take, I guess, like you could take a Windex bottle or like a degreaser or any kind of bottle that has a sprayer on it with a hose. And this literally just unscrews from the top. So then what you do, you find a bottle, find an empty bottle that you can throw away. And go show them what you did.
Get it in there.
You just squeeze the trigger. We put, as you can see here, we put the hose in the bottom of the reservoir and it just goes in there. You just pump it all out. Might take a while, but it does the job. This was Life Hacks with Bulc Club. Like, subscribe, and join the club. Still squirting his life away.